I seen 22 zip codes, I seen 38 zip codes, I'll tell you, this about things that you think you never see on the street. I seen dynamite on the street. I seen all of this.
Yeah, bitch, I'm cold all 4 seasons. Y'all can bring the beef, you know I'm all vegans. Pay attention when the God's speaking. True to your dome, now you on the floor leaking. Tough guy, but you soft as a tissue. Good luck, I hope the paramedics fix you. Man up and address me if we got an issue. My mind dirty, but my heart clean as a vessel. Yeah, let me show you how to skin a rat. Takashi 6'9", out here with killer rat. When come and make sure you bring the gat. I never fight fair, I will swing a bat. I know your type, you ain't outside. Type to be around dicks with your mouth wide. The fiends connect like a Wi-Fi. Whenever the birds fly south side. Yeah. Yeah, when it's rush hour, we'll let the raw shower. The fiends love it, never yelling out more powder. Pray us up, this scarred hour. Hit up Nixon, tell him we need more sour. My shit diesel, the sharks will feed you. After I put a hole in your cerebral. These lines your blind ass couldn't read through to the people. I drop more jewels like I'm Hebrew. Yeah, a young baller like Josue. From the valley of the hyenas, but I don't know sway. Trigger happy goons, never let the fools spray. Pop your top and leave a hole in your whole face. How you 85ers coming at the guard tight? Your third eye blind and you lack foresight. On social media with your small fights, you had me feeling like Vago one of his dog fights. Yeah. Beneath the underground, I'm crowd king. Record certified assassin like I'm John Wick. We could bow to doubt you ever gon' win. Bitch, I move with the heavyweights, I'm Don King. On the corner where we posted. Fish is sold and the pigs to get roasted. You get followed on for boasting. Till this day I kneel and do salad on ghost skin. Yeah, now a general from a lieutenant. 7 stars, I'm known to shoot melons. A loose skin and I spew venom. My skin is alligator tough, fuck a new denim. Want beef, I bring a whole truck. Then find your body in the bag like it's cold cuts. Dicks ain't the only thing you hoes suck. Long barrel in your fucking mouth till you choke up. Whoa.